Hello, my name is Satyaranjan Swain, and today I will be presenting the movie search application I built using Spring Boot and a Thymeleaf. This project retrieve movie information using the movie database TMDb API, and a present search result is an interactive and user-friendly interfaces. This is the structure of the project. As you can see, I have control service and a model package along with resources folder that contains Thymeleaf template and uh, Thymeleaf templates, static files like CSS and JavaScript. Style.css and JavaScript in the static folder, as you can see, and show application that properties briefly to display the API application API configuration if needed. As I as you can see, I have mentioned my API is key also here. So this is the app configuration class. It is configuration class where we configure define a REST template bean. This bean is essential for making HTTP request to the TMDb API, and this is error response class. Uh, we have the error response class. This class models the error response sent to the front end. This is home controller. Here is the home controller. It handles the main home route and the search functionality. It interacts with the movies services to fetch and display movie data based on user queries from the TMDb API. As you can see, this is the method. Uh, yeah, this is the method. This method takes in the search query and through my service class. It fetches results from TMDb. Uh, it fetches from TMDb the error handling logic. If a movie is not found, uh, if movie is not found, it will show the error message not found. The pagination setup also implemented, uh, and yeah, this is the movie. What we are looking for the inside movie, like what kind of adult movie or what is the genre and language and something overview popularity wise and the poster and a release date, also title and a video to vote average, and this is the movie services Java class. Here is my movie services. Encapsulate the logic to communicate with the TMDb API. Point out the I'll show you. Yeah. Uh, a method that make API request and return the movie data. Indicate request built and how the result is parsed. Okay. And this is the movie class. This is my model class as shown you before, which represent a movie. It contains fields like title, overview, release date, and rating. Uh, this is source.html. Uh, yeah, uh, this is the front end part of the application. This is the Thymeleaf template where the movie data is displayed. Movie data. This is the first page, and this is the result page of Thymeleaf template where the movie data is displayed indicating the loop, where each movie result is shown in a card. If statement, the error handling if no result, as you can see. Also, I have added CSS part and the JavaScript part in the static page. As I told you before, this is the no result found and a back to home. Uh, Now let's move to script judges. Also, you'll see this in this JavaScript file. I have the logic for the read more functionality, which display movie details in the model. Uh, Page call autocomplete and how it handles suggestion. This is the CSS part. I have designed here is the CSS file that style the movie card, making the design responsive and visually appealing. As you can see, the hover effect and the I'll just run it and I will show you. See, the port, the Topcat server was running on the port 8080. I'll localhost 8080. See, it's coming completely. The movie page, content page. Here, if I search any movies, like if I search any movie, the Punch Man, yeah, and I am searching. See, the movie was coming with the title, the summary, the release date, average date, original date, popularity wise, vote count also. It was showing the result. Read more. You can read the summary part of the movie here also. And this is one page. You can go back to home. Any pages you can search. Like if I search any another movie, Raj here, you can see so many movies are coming. And also this is have only one page. I will show you one. If it is ABC something movie, yeah. Here you can see it is coming for a next page. See, it is also coming the next page, also next page, previous page. If I go to previous, if I want to stay in same page, it is showing page number also three. This one is the three, and the previous and the next button is working perfectly. As you can see, previous also working, previous also working. Also back to home. Yeah, this is the complete page. I have handled everything properly. Uh, that's it. Thank you for seeing me. I hope you enjoyed the presentation of my movie search application. Thank you. Thank you.